Hello everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about complementary angles. Complementary angle means if two angles add up to 90 degree, then the pair of angles are said to be complementary angles and each angle is said to be complement of other angles. So here let us take an example. PQR, that is 55 degree angle, is complement to the angle AOB, that is 35 degree angle. Also the 35 degree angle is complement to the 55 degree angle. That is because 55 degree plus 35 degree is equal to 90 degree. Alright. So sum of two angles add up to how much? 90 degree. So this is the concept of complementary angles. Okay, let us try to join the angle AOB and PQR and try to check whether it will be 90 degree or not. Here as you can see I am trying to join the angle AOB to PQR. Alright, so here yes, both joined, and as you can see the resultant angle, this angle is 90 degree. Alright, so sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. So each angle 55 and 35 are said to be complement to each other. Okay, in next section we will discuss about problems. Hello everyone, here the question is two angles are complementary. If one angle is 60 degree, then what is the measure of other angle? Okay, let us say here this angle is 60 degree. Alright, so as per the statement two angles are complementary means if we add up two complementary angle, the resultant angle will be 90 degree, right? So let us say this is 90 degree. Alright, so we have been asked to find out this part of the angle. Say this is 60 degree and this we have to find out. So as you know, the sum of two angles 60 plus x is equal to, that is 90 degree. So as per the complementary angle statement, if we add up two angle, the resultant angle will be 90 degree. So here x is equal to 90 minus 60. Alright, so x is equal to 30 degree, right? So 30 degree, B option is the right one. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Everyone, here the question is angle A measures 2x degrees and angle B measures 4x degrees. If angles A and B are complementary, then what is the value of x? Alright, so as you know the statement of complementary angles, if sum of two angles are add ups, say 2x plus 4x, then the resultant angle will be 90 degree. Alright, so 2 plus 4 is 6x is equal to 90 degree. Alright, so x is equal to 90 divided by 6. Okay, so 90 divided by 6 is here 6 on the 6 and 6 5 is 30. Alright, so here x is equal to 15 degree. Alright, so x is equal to 15 is the right answer, that is option B. Alright, let us move on to the next question. Here in question number 3, the question is one angle measures 2y plus 15 degree and its complementary angle measures 3y plus 25 degrees. Then what is the value of y? We have to find out. So as per the complementary angle statements, you know that sum of two angles, that is 2y plus 15 degree plus 3y plus 25 degrees is equal to 90 degree. Alright, so 2y plus 3y is equal to 5y. Alright, and 15 plus 25 is 40. Alright, so is equal to 90 as usual. So again 5y is equal to 90 minus 40. Alright, so 5y is again equal to 90 minus 40 is 50. Alright, so y is equal to 50 divided by 5. Okay, 5 10s are 50, right? So therefore y is equal to 10. Alright, so here the answer B is the right one. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. Here in question number 4, the question is measure of one of the angle is x degree and its complementary angle is 90 minus x degree. Okay, then what is the value of x if the complementary angle measures 25 degree? Here as you know this value 90 minus x is a complementary angle and its value is given here 25 degree, right? So here the value of x is equal to 90 minus 25. Alright, So here x is equal to, further if we simplify, 90 minus 25 is 65 degree. Alright, so here the option C is the right answer, 65 degree. Let us move on to the next question. Here in question number 5, the question is angle C is twice the measure of angle D, and if the angle C and D are complementary, then what is the value of angle D? Okay, so as you know that statement of complementary angle is sum of two angles. Let us say sum of two angles C plus D is equal to 90 degree. Alright, so as you know, C is 2 times of D is given. Alright, so if we substitute this in step 1, so in place of C we can write 2D, right? So 2D plus D is equal to 90 degree. Alright, so here it is again 2 plus 1 is 3D. Alright, so 3D is equal to 90 degree. So D is equal to 90 divided by 3. So here 3 3 is 9 is equal to here 30 degree. So here the option C is the right answer. Alright, thank you for watching.